First, go to your settings on your phone. Now open Wireless and Networks, then tap on Wi-Fi. Here, select the Wi-Fi network you are currently connected to. Once you open your Wi-Fi network, you will see an option to share. When you tap this option, a QR code will appear on your screen. Take a quick screenshot of this QR code. Now open the Google app on your phone. Tap on the small lens icon next to the search bar. This is Google Lens. Google Lens will open the camera, but we don't need that right now. At the bottom, tap on Gallery and choose the screenshot you just took of the QR code. Google Lens will automatically read the QR code. It will show you the network name SSID and the Wi-Fi password, along with all the details. Now take the password shown by Google Lens, go to your laptop, open the Wi-Fi settings, select your network and type the password. That's it, your laptop is now connected to the internet.